2.1.13 Construct a logic diagram using AND or not NAND nor and XOR gates. So a recap of 2.1.11 and 2.2.11 is needed for this, so I'll go over this very briefly. A and B is 1 as in like true only when A is true and B is true. Or is when A is 1 or and slash or B is 1. So either both of them are true or one of them are true. Not A essentially reverses the input. NAND is not AND, nor is not OR. A XOR B is true only when A and B are at logical inequality. So when A is 1 and if B is 0, then A XOR B is 1 and vice versa for B and A. In the exam, the questions that they ask to construct like a logic gates will usually involve logic statement, which could be something like this, not A and B or C, which is rather straightforward. But sometimes they give you a scenario, like this one here, and it's sort of difficult. So in this presentation, showing how to do so constructing a logic diagram. We're gonna work together the following example. Tanya won't go to play if it's cold and raining or if she has not done her homework. So we'll first construct a logic statement based on this scenario. So not play equals cold and rain or not homework, which means play is true when not cold and rain and homework. And then we're going to draw a diagram based on this logic statement, and that is essentially how you construct logic diagrams. And then you can use truth tables to check, like the images that are being displayed now. A few practice questions that you can try yourself, but I'll go over it very briefly. So if output is P or Q and or X or S, we can very easily construct a logic diagram like this. And then a second example is a scenario: if the airplane is late and there are no taxis in the airport, then we'll have to cancel our meeting tomorrow. And what you need to do is you need to construct a logic diagram where A is airplane on time, T is when taxi is available, and meeting takes place. So we're going to break down this scenario and analyze it. If airplane is on time or there are taxis in the airport, then we will have the meeting tomorrow. This will look like the following diagram, the following image: A or T, M equals A or T. The final one, this is a bit more challenging. If input A and B are both 1, or if input A and B are both 0, and if switch is 1, output is 1. Question 1, part 1 of this question will be express the scenario above as a logic statement. Part 2, express the statement found in 1 as a circuit of logic gates. And part 3 is just an extra practice that I thought was good to include because there's an overlap of concepts. So for the first one, it's not A XOR B and S. This is the output. This is the logic statement for the output. And so if you express this as a logic gate or a logic diagram, it's A XOR and then a not, like the following image.